Oh, lights! Camera rolling! Action!
Palabas na ako eh. Nag-usap lang kami ni Senator Win. Palabas
Sinungaling!
na ako. Magkipagkita ko isang dinubyong tao dumarating papunta sa akin eh. Kung hindi ko protect ang sarili ko, nadadagadan ako.
Sinungaling!
So I had to protect myself kasi siguro they were mga 50 sila eh.
Sinungaling!
Diba? Pupunta ako dito para mag-confirm lang kay Senwin regarding security procedures. Nung paalis na ako, biglang nagdinubyo na rito, I just had to protect myself. There was no exchanges, there was no punches, wala naman. Hindi ko na nasaktan. But I didn't know. Hindi ko alam na parating sila. Diba?
Sinungaling!
Meanwhile. A few moments later.
Pero how true may NBA, perceive NBA agent daw sa loob?
We don't know. Let me check. Let me verify first before giving a statement.
Pero
no
walang
instruction
But
from you
it
to
is not the
arrest
PNP.
the,
Walang
arrest
It's
them.
not the PNP. I guarantee you 100%. My orders were very strict to stand down. All elements stand down. So, hindi galing sa PNP to.
Saan tayo papunta ngayon?
Una.